My name is Walt Goodridge, and this is Q&A on the beach.
Never really spun like this, creeping through my mind all night and day. I watch you like you're on my wrist. Come over, I need you.
Hi, my name is Walt. It's time to discover Saipan. The person who asked this question was on Saipan for a few days before his tour. So he asked a question. A few days ago, the phone service to landlines on Saipan went out. How commonly does this happen? I do not know because most people, myself included, do not have landlines anymore. There are certain maybe law offices, maybe big, huge retail establishments may have landlines, but even some of those are tending to use cell phones as well. So even, let's say, a car rental company might have a series of cell phones that they use to communicate. That way they can be on call 24 hours a day. So landlines are being used less and less. And I would imagine that as a result, the resources, financial resources to maintain them might also be limited as well. So I don't know how often they go out, but that is something to consider in that I think cell phone service might actually be more reliable to some degree, since that's something that 90% of the population has. So therefore more resources are allocated to keep those running. And there will be an occasional outage for whatever reason, but that's usually rectified within a few hours, as I'm sure this one was as well. So things have gotten much better over the years in terms of the sustained connectivity. So it's not something that you have to worry about. When I first came to Saipan years ago, the connectivity and the ubiquity of cell phone service and free Wi-Fi was even greater than it was in the mainland, because we have or people in the workforce who have families overseas. Then the need to communicate by chat, by computer, by cell phone was higher here than it likely is in other places in the US. So therefore, I found that the Wi-Fi system was much more reliable than it was at the time. This was in the early 2000s. But over the years, things have just gotten better, and now there is much more sustained coverage around the entire island, and I have not experienced any outages of any major concern. In most cases, if there is an outage, it's usually remedied within a few hours. What is the best way to order exercise equipment like a commercial grade treadmill or dumbbell or weights? That's a good question. Sometimes you'll be able to find those at our local Costco. Sometimes you'll find saunas, you'll find treadmills, you'll find dumbbells. We have those here on Saipan. Another option might be to talk to some of the gyms here to find out if there's any old equipment that they're selling. You might also want to check Facebook. We have some Facebook buy and sell groups through which you can purchase them. But in my jaunts to the local Costco, which is known as Joten Superstore, I have seen weights, I have seen large, I think I've seen treadmills, not treadmill, but bike exercise bikes as well. So I'm pretty sure they may have treadmills at some point. Ordering them might be a bit of a hassle. Perhaps you could contact some of the major companies that are ordering containers filled with merchandise, with products, and that might be a way to put in a special order as well. But ordering it yourself individually, that might be tricky because of the exorbitant shipping costs that you'll probably incur. But otherwise, dumbbells, biking, exercise equipments, those are all available here on island. I've seen them at various stores.
Subscribe.
You know what the man said.